elevator is JCPenney, Franklin Mall, Toledo, Ohio. Can you press 3 for me, please? Oh, there used to be a third floor up here. Oh wow, they kept visual indicator and that one running? Wow, this is a epic motor. Wow, that's so cool. They have the original analog indicator and this thing. That's so cool. Originally in Montgomery. There you go.
Thanks.
Have a good afternoon. Go down to 1. This clearly maintained by Kone. Let's watch that again. That's so cool. Here, 1. Now let's try again the other one. Epic. Now let's try again the other one. These are Montgomerys. So they used to have a third floor here, but they downsized it to 2. This was originally a 3-story Montgomery. 3-story JCPenney. Sorry, I'm not familiar with this place. Montgomery, 2, 5,000 pounds. That's absolutely massive. Epic. Here on level 2. 1. Going down?
Yeah.
There's enough space, you can come on in. That's so cool. They kept this original indicator and they put that one in. 1 spurts out, just like the other one. There's a Innovation Universal Fixtures, hands-free, ADA code compliant phone. That's your digital indicator, and this is your original one. It's shockingly still being used. You know what? We're gonna set this one up, and we'll run over to the machine room so I can listen to the motor. Drop the cart.